Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag on a 15 Hyundai Sonata. This goes for multiple years. And what I'm going to do is change the switch here. Right there, it's the washer switch and the light switch. First thing you want to do, it's very important, is disconnect the battery. Anytime dealing with airbags, you disconnect the battery and refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Alright, so we're going to take the positive and negative cables off for safety and let them sit and discharge for a little bit. Anytime you work on the airbags system or the seatbelt system, you always want to do this because that's what the manufacturer recommends, and they could go off. And actually, they could go off by static electricity, so you have to be very, very careful with this. Alright, so pop that off, make sure it's away safely. Then we're going to get down to the airbag, but that's a 10mm bolt on each side. That's what you need. Now let's go on the inside and get that airbag out. Right. First thing you want to do is put the key in the ignition so you can turn the wheel. And if you look carefully, there's a little slot. See that slot in there? Let's see that. There's a slot right there. Now there's other holes, but we want to get that slot. You want to stick a screwdriver in like this, something pointy, flat, and you slide it in there, but do it on an angle and push. And as you push this, the airbag starts coming out. See that? Now that's the first one. We're going to turn it now. Go to the next one. The next one is a hole right here. We're going to stick that in there. And it popped out more, see? There's going to be another one. And if we can't get it, we have to rotate it back around. And there is one just like the other side. The first one right here. Push it in on an angle. And there you go, the airbag comes out. Now we're going to disconnect these safety clips and the wires here. And once these are disconnected, the airbag is good to go. Alright, so now we're going to take these out, and basically you got to pull up these orange areas. Got to use a very thin screwdriver. This one's maybe not thin enough, but you pull that up. And once that's up, you pull up. Work it around carefully. Alright, see how that came out? We're going to do the other one. Get that center clip out. And just work this out evenly. Go around it evenly. Take your time. And we got just a little clip here. It's kind of neat. Pull that out, and there's your airbag right there. You want to be careful. Don't touch that because actually static electricity could set it off. And to put it back in, you just do it reverse. And I'm not sure if you have to reset the airbag system on this or not. But I'll find out when I put it back in. Some are self-resetting.